In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy items on Amazon using PayPal. So to do this, what we're going to be doing is we're going to go ahead and purchase Amazon gift cards, which we can go ahead and purchase using PayPal. Then using those gift cards, we're going to go ahead and use them to purchase things on Amazon. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up any web browser and look up this application called Dundle. This is the website that will offer you a ton of Amazon gift cards that you guys can go ahead and purchase with your PayPal account. So let's go ahead and press on it like so. And then there you go. You should see that Amazon gift card will be an option. And we do have a bunch of different options over here. So we got $5, $10, all the way up to $100. So that is definitely pretty cool. You guys could also use something like Best Buy because Best Buy also does offer Amazon cards that you could actually pay with using PayPal. So for this video, let's go ahead and get the $5 one. So let's go ahead and press on buy now. Then it is going to take us to our shopping cart. So here it is, guys. So all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on checkout once you're 100% sure that you got the correct gift card. So from here, you got to go ahead and enter in the email that you want to receive your code in. So just go ahead and just enter it in. Or if you're sending this as like a gift or maybe to like a friend, then you want to go ahead and put in their Gmail account. But this is basically going to be the Gmail account where the code is going to go to. So all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on checkout once you're done with that. And then as you're able to tell, we now are able to go ahead and use PayPal right over here. So just select on PayPal. But obviously, if you want to use something different, you are absolutely able to do so. So there you go. We just need to go ahead and press on PayPal checkout like so. And now it is going to open up our PayPal account. So just be very patient. So basically, it is going to load in a widget that looks like this. And if it's your first time ever doing this, or maybe you haven't logged into PayPal on this particular web browser, you may need to go ahead and sign into your PayPal account. So make sure to go ahead and do that. And then you want to go ahead and select on your payment method. So we do have a couple bank accounts linked to our PayPal account. So we can go ahead and use that and then press the complete purchase. And then from there, we should be able to go ahead and get our gift card. And then it is going to send the code directly to our Gmail address. So once you went ahead and purchase your gift card, the next thing you want to do is you want to open up Amazon. All right, guys. So here we are in Amazon, and all you want to do is you want to go ahead and select over here where it does say gift card. So go ahead and press on that. And then over here, you are able to go ahead and press on this option that does say redeem a gift card like so. And you want to go ahead and enter in the code that you did get on your email address. And then you just want to go ahead and press on apply to your balance. And once you're done with that, those funds will then be added to your Amazon account and you're able to go ahead and make purchases like you normally would. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.